Okay, so I just decided to buy one hot cappuccino in this one small bike coffee, and look at surround. Wow, spring is so beautiful, isn't it? So if you're curious about the price, I paid one small cappuccino, cost me around 13 zloty. Dzień dobry, good afternoon everybody. It's very nice sunny weather today, warm, and I decided to go to the work just about 20 minutes from our apartment to this park. So this park is called Cittadella Park, and look at surround me. I think that spring is a really the best time to come to Europe to enjoy. Flowers are blooming, everything is green, and I do believe that during summertime it must be over crowded. Like surround people, many people will come. And yeah, maybe today because it is a weekday, so this Cittadella Park still kind of not so many people coming, but what I can see that everywhere we go, everything is green and blooming, just like behind me. Look at this beautiful flower, isn't it very nice? So I was there in the small bike cafe buying my coffee. So today I bring my own pastry. Okay, so I bought my coffee for 13 zloty, and this one I bought Drusduvka, the yabukem, which is sweet buns with the apple. I'll show you how it is inside. Look, so 3.9 zloty is about 14,000 rupiah. Look at the size. Ooh, so big. So enjoying the sunshine, warm weather, sunny, and with the sound of the nature. And I also having my sweet buns Drusduvka. Let me try this. Well, there are actually many types of Drusduvka. You can have it with the cheese, you can have it with the fruits. There are so many different toppings. If you are visiting Poland, maybe most of you only aware about Pączek, Polish donut. Yes, Pączek is a very famous one. Whenever you come to Poland, you have to try this one, Drusduvka, because Drusduvka is basically, Polish people eating this one for the light breakfast, after breakfast, or for the snack, or probably for the, the dessert. This one, what I bought is Drusduvka with the apple. This is the second best pastry that I have tried it so far. So how many degrees is this? I think that if I'm not mistaken, this one is 16 degrees, but for me it's still I still feel cold. You know that I'm still learning to getting acclimatized with the weather here in Poland. Yeah, it's so amazing. And this is the dandelion. It's so beautiful. It is like in the movie, right? How it's beautiful spring, and how is the dandelion blooming surround me, and then blowing a dandelion flower like a child. I was super happy. I'll show you the 360 degree how is the park look like, and in the middle is a beautiful pond. And look at these beautiful flowers. I don't know what's the name of this flower, but I really like it, and this flower smells really sweet quite nice. Look at this. Wow, very nice. So look at this beautiful flower. It's amazing, isn't it? Very nice. And people are walking with the kids, with the babies. Wow. And the breeze is very nice. Amazing. Like the kids playing in the park, the adults enjoying having a coffee, and people bringing the dogs. It's beautiful. Okay, so actually this is the name of the park, Park Cittadella. It's a very huge park, and I think that I'm here. Tu estés means you are here, and look at this around. There are so many things to see, and I think also there are so many historical things, like this one, and then that one and that one. Very nice. And the Cittadella is actually the Poznan largest park, occupying about 10,000 acres of green space. And this park established around 1963 until 1970, and until now, shortly, something like that. So I'll show you around. Well, actually there are two coffee shops, the Bike Coffee, that one and that one. And if you want to have a coffee and enjoying the sunshine while enjoying your snack, so this is a very good idea wherever you come here with your friends, with your family. So it's amazing. So now let's go there, because this is the biggest park. Look at this beautiful garden. Wow. And this beautiful tulip flower. Amazing, isn't it? More and more people are coming. You see, I think that one is the restaurant over there, and that's the playground. So right in front of me is, I think that's the army aeroplane, and next to it is the garden, and next to it is the restaurant and the park, the playground. It's beautiful. Very nice flower. So in front of me is Museum Uzbrojenia Odizal Wielkopolskiego Museum. So basically there are so many tanks, so many army planes, that they keep it very well here, and we will go there. Wow, look at this behind me. This is a real tank. They really keep it well here. So let's get closer. This is a piece of history that has to be remembered. Wow. And I'll show you around. I think this one is the rose garden, that I think that when it is summer, the rose over there is gonna be blooming. And right behind me, this is the graveyard. Well, so like I told you, this is a historical place. I respect that. Where is Damian? Damian is busy working as usual. Well, basically I just want to share something, like check a day of my life here in Poland. Like this afternoon I went to the mall, actually, to meet my Indonesian friend. We have a talk, we have a chit chat, and we have a coffee. And I'm so happy that also there are quite many Indonesians are living here in Poland, and especially in Poznan. And then while I was walking, and then I see that there are so many bureau podróży, like travel agent in Poland that we used to work with. And whenever I see the offer actually on the windows, on the screen, and well, actually none of them are offering the trip or travel to Bali. So right, we used to work with this TUI company, and I'll show you what they offer about this Exotica. Look, this one, and this one in the Southeast Asia. There's Thailand, Vietnam, China, Singapore, and Bangkok, Hong Kong. There is no Bali. So yeah, this is how it is. And have a look at this, the same. No Bali. And also we used to work with Rainbow. Look at these beautiful flowers. If I'm not mistaken, the name is lilac. The smell is beautiful. The smell so good. Look at color. Amazing. Look at these beautiful flowers, pink, and look at these. Wow, wow, amazing, very nice. Look at these. Wow, 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 nice. Very nice. Oh, look at this. So nice. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I don't need to go to Netherlands to see a real tulip flower. Look at this. Amazing, beautiful, and let me smell it. Oh, smell so good, amazing, so nice. Right, so if you ask me about what's Damian used to do when he was living in Bali, well, during I think that 8 years something living in Bali, we used to have a company together, and then we used to have a travel agent company where we take a cooperation with lots of police travel agency like TUI, Rainbow, Ithaka, and then we used to work with them and taking Polish people like a tour and everything. So and then suddenly pandemic hit and all the business gone, and yeah, Damian opened YouTube channel. Actually, the first purpose of YouTube channel just to showing to his parents that we are, doing good in Bali and everything is good. And until now, we keep the YouTube channel and showing you how it is. But currently, we are living in Poland, basically, and I am now showing how it is my life like living in Poland, Europe. So to showing you Mama, Papa, my brother, my family in Bali that I'm living my dream, I'm happy, and yeah, this is it. So if we got closer, this is beautiful, amazing tulip garden. Look at these beautiful flowers, very nice, cool. Ooh, walking under these beautiful flowers. It's blooming everywhere. Right, I think that's all my video today. Just like my normal day afternoon walk, and every afternoon I walk in the park, so I stay fit even though sometimes I feel cold, but this is the way how I am getting acclimatized with the weather and with the cold in Poland. It's cold, but it is amazing, very nice. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye. Look at this beautiful garden. Wow, amazing. More and more people coming.